we explain how to ensure on-time delivery. This is Max. His friends invited him to join a cycling tour through the mountains. But there's a problem. He needs to find a bike especially made for the demanding route, and the trip takes place in 10 days already. Max addresses his problem to a few manufacturers. The answers are daunting. Delivery times vary from 7 days to 4 weeks, and delivery within the indicated times isn't guaranteed. Finally, a glimmer of hope. The manufacturer, David, ensures him to deliver his customized bike in 5 days. He even states a specific time on that day. Max is thrilled. He places his order right away and imparts his astonishment about the down-to-the-minute delivery date. David feels pleased and invites Max to his bike factory to show him how they work. At the factory, David explains to Max, everything involved in production operates just in time and enables a continuous flow. Every single step is controlled in detail and synchronized, taking full advantage of digitalization. For example, the connectivity of transportation equipment and machines allow to forecast component deliveries precisely. So let's see how Max's bike is made. David explains, the production system schedules orders already in the early stage of order requests, fully automated. This is one reason why David is able to include customized features in his production and guarantee just-in-time delivery while running a highly automated production. In the production hall, David shows Max how autonomous vehicles take components straight from the loading ramp and distribute them independently and just in time to the assembly stations without getting an instruction. The stations recognize the parts and automatically grip and mount them correctly. The bike passes more assembly stations for the handlebar, seat, and the paint shop. Each order is controlled individually so that individual customer requests can be seamlessly integrated into the production. David explains, the autonomous machines know exactly how long each process step takes and ensure a constant flow of products, together with the centralized production scheduling. Faults and non-conformances are detected by the automated machines right away, so David can make corresponding adjustments immediately. Therefore, production can flow, even at a high level of capacity utilization. Max is impressed. Now he knows that the secret to ensure delivery down to the nearest minute is achieved by taking full advantage of automation and digitalization. Of course, the bike is delivered on time and exactly like he imagined it. Now he can hardly wait for the cycling tour to begin.